Okay guys, welcome back to Tangled and Fishing. I'm with Kaylin again. So we're near Bloomsbury, we're at a creek and it's looking really glassy and there's a few fish around. So I'm hoping we can get some.
I don't know whether anyone can see this, but looks like there's a big black brim right there.
Onto a nice black brim. Woo! These all came in and smashed the bacon. Oh yeah! Ooh, ooh. Yes! Little black brim. Oh yeah, let's hope you can get that bigger one. It's perfect. Guys, on a good black brim.
He is having a crack.
Oh, there
You.
It's a black brim.
Nice black
It's a
brim.
little sooty.
Oh, don't go under the bank.
Coming around.
Oh, that's decent. That is a good one.
He's a good size.
Yeah. You. Awesome rapids.
It's so weedy, the bottom. Oh, my touch it.
I'm gonna take it out. Got some awesome rapids. You. Didn't know this was down here. Beautiful. So I had a great morning fish and the swim was really good. So it's dark now. Probably can't see me on GoPro that well. So stay tuned because we're about to go check some yabby pots we put in and in the kayaks at dark. So hopefully we get something. So stay tuned. You. Okay guys, Kaylin is checking the other pot.
Oh, we got a fish. Oh, we got a lobster.
Yes, we got a shrimp.
Yeah, hurry up, give me the bucket. Sauce. Oh, nice. Hey, no, come over here, give me the bucket.
Yeah, just wait.
You're pushing me.
Pot 3.
The third pot, just put your light over there, Kai. There we go. The third pot, just the last one. We're going to leave him in overnight. So you got something.
What do we got?
Do you see anything yet, Kaylin? No?
I don't think so.
Nah, Nothing. But at least I got this shrimp.
Yeah, radio.
Okay.
You need to put yours here.
Head
man.
back now.
Okay guys, so this is one of the shrimps we got last night. We still have to check the pots this morning. So I'm going to be using this one for bait. And apparently black brim love them, so hopefully we get something big. Okay.
Right, give him a little bit of slack. Yep.
Onto a good one. It's black brim. Spiders. You beauty! It's a nice little one. Decent though. And he'll go back. Nice. Looks healthy. Woo! He's gone. Look at that. Bit of a cool catch. See, buddy. Ha! Sick. Keep fishing.
Okay guys, so I'm back at home now. It was good fun searching those rainforest creeks. I found some really cool stuff. The fishing was really fun too. Geez, those SOOTY GRUNTER hit hard. And the highlight for me was catching those shrimp at night. It was really good fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed the episode, and I'll see you next time. You!